Good afternoon and welcome to the Montage Cheese Gallery here at the Loft. Cheese, because it's so passionate, food is passionate, we really frequently refer to it as being sexy because you eat with your eyes first, and if it looks luscious, you're gonna dive in. So this is a sexy bite. Maybe that's what's gonna end up being called. This is from Rolling Stone Dairy, and it's called Anise Lavender because those two herbs are in it. And herbs really show off goat's milk cheeses because the grasses and grains that they feast on, the grassiness just seems to really come out in a goat's milk. And really high-end goat's milks are not like people that are afraid to delve into that. They're thinking, you know, if they have a grocery store experience where it's really barnyardy and very pungent, they're missing out because the beautiful, delicate, grassy, you know, floral chevres that are out there in the artisanal world are not to be missed. This is one of them. And because of those herbs, we've taken a fresh cherries and amaretto and reduced them down together. And they, anytime almonds and cherries are mixed, they grab each other. And this, even though very powerful, brings out the beautiful, delicate floral essence of this cheese. Call it a night of romance or a night to remember or something like that.